morning. So, today we are going to talk about the foreground and the background of an illness. The foreground means the symptoms which we see on the surface, what the patient tells us, or the signs of an illness. And the background means the actual disease or the actual pathology which is giving rise to those symptoms. So, when we come to the integrated wellness clinic and when you give us the history, let's take an example of constipation. If you tell us that you are constipated, meaning you have difficulty in passing your bowels, so we would like to ask you whether your constipation is related to something else, whether it is related to your sleep issues. When you don't sleep well, are you constipated when you're having a poor quality of sleep, or are you constipated because you're not eating enough fiber in your diet? That is very obvious. And then are you constipated because your bowels are retained for long in your large intestines, meaning you don't have the urge to go for days together. So all this detailed history tells us what actual pathology, what is the cause of your constipation, and how it is that your body reacts to this symptom. And so we also like to understand the relation of it to your other things, like your stress levels, or when you are not in a happy mood, or before your periods, if you're constipated. All these things, all this history is very, very important to us. And so with all this history in mind, our clinical nutritionist will give you a diet which helps your cause of constipation. And our internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby Bansal, will if necessary tell you some investigation. I don't think many investigations are needed in general constipation, unless it is a case of portal stasis, and then we also get some hormone tests done if you're nearing your menopause or something like that. I am the homeopath. I love to take a detailed history of your type of constipation, and with this kind of an detailed history and and understanding why you are not able to feel as satisfied after your bowel movement as you should be doing, we give you very specific streamlined treatment. And though it is a small symptom to say, but it hampers your quality of life. So even if you are suffering from a chronic constipation, feel free to contact us. We try to diagnose your cause of it and treat you accordingly. So have a great Thursday today, and feel free to contact us anytime. Jai Hind.